The Laṅkāvatāra Sūtra, Chapter 2, Part 33. Mahāmati once more beseeched the Buddha to explain the meaning of this. Bhagavan, please tell us again about the realm in which word projection occurs. Bhagavan, where and why and how and based on what do beings give rise to their projection of words? The Buddha told Mahāmati, sounds are produced by the conjunction of the head, chest, throat, nose, lips, tongue, and teeth. Mahāmati asked the Buddha, Bhagavan, are words and projections separate or not separate? The Buddha replied, words and projections are neither separate nor not separate. And how so? Because the one is the cause of the other. Mahāmati, if words and projections were separate, projections could not be their cause. And if they were not separate, words could not express their meaning. But they do. Hence they are not separate and not separate. Mahāmati again asked the Buddha, Bhagavan, are words ultimate truth, or is what they express ultimate truth? The Buddha replied, Mahāmati, words are not ultimate truth, nor is what they express ultimate truth. And how so? Ultimate truth is what Buddhas delight in, and what words lead to is ultimate truth. But words are not ultimate truth. Ultimate truth is what is attained by the personal realization of Buddha knowledge. It is not a realm known by means of the projection of words. Therefore, the projection of words does not express ultimate truth. Words arise and cease and shift, with their occurrence depending on changing causes and conditions. Mahāmati, what depends on changing causes and conditions for its occurrence does not express ultimate truth. Mahāmati, because of the non-existence of their own characteristics, or of those of something else, words do not express ultimate truth. Moreover, Mahāmati, because any characteristic of an external existence does not exist except as a perception of one's own mind, the projection of words does not express ultimate truth. Hence, Mahāmati, you should avoid the projection of words.